Introducing Excel Services Quotes, a smart Excel-based tool to simplify quoting for service-based businesses. Tired of chasing quotes, updating spreadsheets manually, and losing track of pricing? With Excel Services Quotes, everything is in one place. Metrics, conversion funnels, and top clients ready at a glance. Define your services and set smart tiered pricing, once, forever. A professional front page that speaks your brand's voice. Input client data, select services, set quantities and terms, get instant totals. Preview exactly what your client will see before sending. Generate a polished PDF in seconds. Auto-draft a full email with subject, body, and attachment. Need history? Every quote is logged and searchable. No more lost offers. Track everything. Measure everything. Forget nothing. Buy once. Use forever. Excel Services Quotes is ready for your business.